खत्म तुम पे सफरनामा जिसे ढूंढा जमाने में मुझे में था मेरे सारे जवाबों का सफरनामा मेरी ओर से उठा तेरी ओर को कदम पहला मिलेंगे हम सफरनामा ख्यालों का सफरनामा अंधेरे में उजालों का सफरनामा सवेरे सा पुराना भी नया भी है
The clouds were showering love on us. Each curve of the road showed that life will have some rough curves and smooth curves. But later, you'll get a straight path to your destiny. Every path that you take now are the choice of life you're making for the future. The mountains had some vibes. It was like they were inviting us. The nature was so calm and composed, and that fresh air. You can feel the wet soil smell in it. The wind touched smooth, and the rain droplets were just spraying on us as higher we were going into the mountain. The mountain was getting covered with the beautiful clouds, and looking to that view, you will almost feel like, whoa, what else can I want? All of these just made our adrenaline rush go higher and higher.
सफरनामा ख्यालों का सफरनामा अंधेरे में उजालों का सफरनामा ओ सवेरे सा पुराना भी नया भी है
Came back, and while coming back, it was not just us, but a bunch of memories were traveling back with us. We don't know that we'll get this chance again or not. And that's why I lived. I lived every moment of this journey, and I kept nothing to regret. Nothing to regret.
मिलेंगे